Heyo, what is good, learning machines? Welcome back to another fire video. Watch this video till the very end. We are going to talk about Clickbank, Max Bounty, ClickFunnels, ClickMagic, Aweber, and Facebook ads where you can achieve Clickbank success. That is the title of the video. That is what this video is going to be about. Alright, so we're going to go through and just talk about why you need each one, the whole strategy as to why, and how they all flow together and like the business strategy here. So we've got ClickBank here. This is where you're going to make some money, right? Basically, you're going to promote offers inside the selected niche you choose. You can go to Affiliate Marketplace. Okay, you click right here. And you basically are like, oh, okay, I like travel. So you go to travel, or you can see what are the top offers. You could just click search here. Boom, the top offer right now, most popular, is this one. If you want to sort by gravity, which means how many people are promoting it, that's still the highest, and that's 433 gravity. Your average sale is going to be $33. That's very good. It's in the health and fitness niche. That's what I'm in. I'm also in the sweepstake niche, dating niche. Those three are my top, and there's tons of money to be made in each one of those. So I promote a lot of the health. Okay. So basically, you just pick the niche that you're in. Boom. And if you want to do a recurring one, just sort by that. Recurring is extremely powerful, and boom, this one has recurring. Okay. Let's see here. If you want to do anything other than English, that's extremely powerful too. Pitch Plus means it's a very, very good like offer, and it has high conversion rates, and it looks good, and it's something that you can send traffic to confidently. Okay. Business and e-marketing is a great niche. You're going to get John Costani here for sure. Wow, $500 average sale. That's very good for a ClickBank offer, huh? A lot of people promote it. At least there used to be a lot of people promoting it. But we can go to the site and we can see how many visitors he's getting per month. Boom, 1.1 million visitors per month. I'm sure he's getting plenty of money there. Okay, very powerful. So that's ClickBank for you. You're basically going to make some money. If you set up your funnel correctly, like I teach in my different courses, especially my main course, then you are going to be set, okay? And you're going to want to be signed up with many affiliate networks because you want to promote many offers and treat this thing like a freaking business. All right, so the next step is Max Bounty. Sign up with Max Bounty, all right? I'm signed up with them too. I'm not going to log in or anything, but this is basically another affiliate network. It's basically a CPA marketing network. And as you can see, I like SimilarWeb to see how many visitors they get. 2.5 million visitors per month. All right, that's awesome. Let's actually look at Max Bounty real quick. I mean, ClickBank. Accounts.clickbank. That means 4.7 million people are going on accounts.clickbank.com or just clickbank.com. It looks like it's just putting in ClickBank up here. So, okay, there's Max Bounty, there's ClickBank. That's all you need there. Next, you're going to use a little something called ClickMagic. And I have all these tools in the description, actually, I just thought of. And why I like ClickMagic is because you can literally target very important things for your links. If you want to test like tons of different stuff, if the traffic source you're using won't really test it, like you can do all these different things here, okay? You can link cloak, okay? And ClickMagic, as you can see, like you should be grateful that I'm suggesting this to you. It's the best one out there. Other ones literally don't have some of these features, okay? Very important for you to understand that. You can rotate links, automatic bot filtering, and click fraud monitoring. That's super important if you're getting like fake clicks, okay? You need to be able to track that kind of stuff. And this just helps. Like you're going to want to gather data and make correct changes based off the data you get in your campaigns, okay? And this helps with that a lot, okay? So there you go. There's ClickMagic. Now, Aweber, I recommend this autoresponder. It's great. Also, when you're doing affiliate marketing, a lot of autoresponders do not like you direct linking to the offer you're promoting. So try to put a landing page in between, okay? And that's all you got to know there. You can even do a survey landing page just to get them doing a micro commitment and stuff. Very powerful. That's what I do. I also do story selling, okay? and testimonials and all these things with the different businesses I'm in for affiliate marketing. One of the highest converting, obviously, is going to be sweepstakes. That has the highest conversion rates because all I'm doing is getting people to fill out sweepstakes. Okay, so I actually have a course on that too, and I teach you like the craziest stuff that no one will ever make a video about on YouTube, and I definitely won't, for free, that is, because I've made so much money with it. I'm over like $50,000 with sweepstakes alone. Okay, just so you know. And if you want results like that, then boom, go get the course. It's only $50, I think. But anyway, that's Aweber for you. They're the top autoresponder. They get 17.9 million visitors every month to their service, so they are the most authoritative. I looked at all of them, and that's what made me choose it. Okay, so Aweber is very important. Why it's important is basically you can have that autoresponder in place, you're collecting and owning traffic, so email leads, and you can promote any offer whenever you want. Okay, and you can even sell your leads if you want to, or something, to someone who wants to buy. You can have your list and sell kind of your traffic to advertisers on Udemy. Okay, so very powerful stuff. And the next one is ClickFunnels. Let's see if this video is going to play up. Anyways, ClickFunnels is by far your number one tool. It's going to be the most expensive for you, but hey, you get a 14-day free trial. Very, very important. And if you know what you're doing, you can take advantage of that and make money before you even get billed. Also, by the way, they have two plans. They've got the first one, and then they've got the other one. Okay, and the first one's $97, and the next one is $300. And it's very important for you to understand that because it's called Actionetics is the $300 one, and Actionetics basically will have a email autoresponder built in, so you probably won't even need Aweber. I rarely use Aweber anymore. It just depends on what type of campaign I'm running, and I'll use Aweber. But yeah, that's really important for you to understand. They love affiliates. They love any industry that works with them, and you can build websites so quickly. Okay. Also, you're going to want to be able to buy domain names when you get started. So I didn't mention that, but you could buy from Namecheap or GoDaddy.com. Okay. And yeah, ClickFunnels is extremely powerful. Even when you join the community, you'll learn a ton, and it'll help accelerate you on your journey. So just so you know that. This is the core of everything here, okay? You could even go without these two right here and just do this and this and this. And then you need traffic, so you're going to have Facebook ads. And last but not least, you're going to want Facebook ads, okay? Facebook ads is how you can get quick traffic instantaneously. Depending on your budget, bro, you can get traffic regardless, okay? But if you are able to spend the most or invest the most to acquire conversions, you're set. And I talk a lot about that because that's like the key to driving traffic at the end of the day. If you can afford to spend $1,000 because you sell something for $1,000, and then you break even, and then everything else you sell, you get profit. Okay, that is like the key, bro. And that's how you're going to get traffic. Don't just have one offer you're promoting. That's every affiliate's biggest mistake. I am by far the top affiliate marketing channel that is going to teach you like how to actually be successful in this. Every other person I've looked at as a competitor in the affiliate marketing space, although I want to collaborate with some of them, and I don't want to bash anyone at all. I'm just saying they're not like teaching you the exact like super great strategies that will actually make you money. Okay, they're always talking about, oh, pick an offer, have a landing page, drive traffic. But nowadays you cannot profit doing that. Okay, and I suffered a long time, and I failed multiple times in affiliate marketing because I was misinformed by these gurus. Okay, and I want you guys to know that it's super important. Now, all you need is this quote, bro. Whoever can invest the most to acquire conversions wins. Amen. All right, and that is the video. If you want to check out things in the description, all these tools, and you're ready to get started, and you learned enough just from this video of all the tools you need to make with this right here, this little setup right here. And I highly suggest other CPA networks, but Max Bounty has pretty much the most offers. Okay, there's other ones like Click Dealer, and I've mentioned that one before. But literally, just try to focus, and you really have to focus in business. But yeah, these are the tools you need, and you could literally be making 10,000 or more per month with what I teach. Way, way more than that if you do what I teach. But just disclaimer, because you have to say it, nothing is guaranteed. You can make more or less or the same. Anyways, check out new stuff in the description, guys. Check out other videos and refer to your friends who would find this useful. And I will see you in the next videos. Peace out.